What's going on, guys? Ricky here, equipping you with the tools to becoming the best you can be. So you've been hitting the gym, but you're feeling like you're not making any progress. You step on the scales, and the number that the scales show back at you
literally feel like it's ripping your heart out of your chest and letting it beat for a second, then taking a bite out of your heart and spitting it onto the ground.
The number on the scales have not gone down. In fact, they've actually gone up. You've been going to the gym for a month and you're actually getting fatter. Don't worry, your boy Ricky's got you. And today, we're gonna look at 4 reasons why you're getting fatter. Guys, I feel you. I have been there. Right now, I'm trying to bulk, trying to get bigger, but all I seem to be doing is just getting fatter. The feeling isn't that good, but today we're gonna unpack it a little bit. Now I know what you're thinking. Am I working hard enough at the gym? I probably could be working harder. Well, the truth is that you're probably already working hard enough. The question is, are you working hard enough outside of the gym? Number one of the reasons why you could be getting fatter is, are you rewarding yourself after your workouts? Trust me, I used to do this. I know. I've felt it. I have been there. They're on the treadmill. Oh, just do 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Oh, you know what? Yeah. I'll get a burger. A McDonald's burger. And all of a sudden, that's your motivation. And you're powering through that last 10 minutes. Do I want a chicken burger? A beef burger? A pork burger? I want all the burgers. This is completely wrong. You don't want to be having the mindset where you have to reward yourself after the exercise. Listen to me. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. Don't have the reward mentality when it comes to food. By all means, reward yourself for doing that last 10 minutes on the treadmill. Just don't make the reward food. Set up a reward like if you lose 2 kilos, you buy a shirt instead of going out for dinner. Number 2, consuming calories without realizing it. Quite often people will come up to me and be like, oh Ricky, it's been so good. I've been doing these morning walks, but I don't seem to be losing any weight. And then I ask, well, what are you doing before your walk? Well, I can't walk on an empty stomach because I get sick, but I can't have breakfast either because that's too much. So what I do is I have maybe like 1 or 2 bananas, and then when I come home, then I have my breakfast. Are you serious? We look at the rest of the day, and the only thing that they've changed is the walk and the bananas. And you can explain to them, well, wouldn't it be easier to just sleep in and not wake up earlier in the morning and not eat the bananas and then just start the day with breakfast without having a walk? Remember what I said, you can't outwork a bad diet. Now, bananas, totally misleading in calories. That brings me to number 3, not reading the nutritional information on the food you're eating. Marketing companies are so good at this. What they'll do is they'll make the packaging look amazing, and they'll use buzzwords like low fat, but it'll have sugar. No sugar, but it'll have fat. Healthy, fit, detox, cleansing. You have to read the nutritional information. So many cereals out there that claim to be healthy are ridiculously high in calories. Make sure you read the calories per serving, and if you are counting your calories, make sure you just have 1 serving. Last one, number 4, don't drink your calories. You'd be surprised in how many extra calories you can have per day because you're drinking it. Let me tell you something. Just because it's a liquid or in a smoothie form doesn't mean it's low calorie. Say for example, you're working out and you're drinking those sports drinks. You'd be so surprised in how many calories those sports drinks have. Just as much as soft drink. Even when you drink fruit juice. Fruit is healthy, right? Say for example you have a glass of orange juice. That's 100 calories. Now 1 glass isn't too bad. But say you have 5 in one day. That's 500 extra calories. That is the difference between you putting on weight and losing weight. Don't get me started on frappuccinos or alcohol. I strongly encourage you, quickly jump on the internet. If you're drinking a lot of different drinks per day, look at the calories and you will be surprised. For me, if I'm cutting and trying to lose weight, I tend to stick to just water, green tea, and black coffee. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some value out of it. If you want me to make a video on the calorie breakdown of different drinks, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you are on a weight loss journey and you're struggling and you want me to help, I'm more than happy to help you. I offer online coaching. Check out my website in the description box. Remember to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so every share, like, and subscribe helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.